Hello.
Hey, how's it going?
I am checking my setup because it's not quite right yet.
"2020 is a year that will live in our memories forever. Australia on fire. A global pandemic. Civil unrest, protests, and rioting. All in the first half of the year. The world has been thrust into uncertainty and chaos." Just kidding. That's not how we roll. Botnets.
Protein folding is the physical process by which a protein chain acquires its native three-dimensional structure, a conformation that is usually biologically functional in an expeditious and reproducible manner. It is the physical process by which a polypeptide folds into its characteristic and functional three-dimensional structure from a random coil.
What does that even mean?
What does it even mean?
Proteins are polymer chains of amino acids. Before proteins can do any work, they need to fold up into functional three-dimensional shape. Different parts of the protein, which may be relatively far away, come together because of the attraction between the component amino acids. Misfolding can produce a protein in the wrong shape. This makes the molecules toxic and dangerous. Misfolded proteins can cause other proteins to misfold and also become toxic.
Bum, bum, bum.
Bum, bum, bum.
Diseases such as mad cow, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, types of cancer, and ALS were previously considered unrelated, but are now known to be related to protein folding.